Hey, my name is John Natazio. I wanted to make this video with some tips and tricks to help you guys with your online presence, and so you can bring in some more consistent traffic throughout the year. So without further ado, I'll get right into it. So I couldn't find a website, so I assume you guys don't have one. So what I'm going to do is show you kind of what your competitors are doing, and so you can kind of just copy them and do exactly what they're doing. So I'm sure you all know Randazzo. Randazzo's one of the biggest HVAC in pretty much Michigan, and they're definitely at the top for pretty much every search. So there's three things that make that happen. So it's content, citations, and backlinks. So I'll explain that as I go along. But content is anything on a website, word related, pictures, and what they're saved as. Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on a page, and the reason for this is so that you can fit in keywords that people are searching for. So, for example, Detroit heating and cooling, furnace repair Detroit, something like that. Those are all keywords, local keywords that you could rank for that bring in a lot of search volume. And Google likes to see this much content, so it provides a searcher with information. And also, so those keywords you put in there are not spammy and sound weird. You know, sometimes you can go into websites and they have all these keywords everywhere, and it sounds kind of stupid. So that's one of the reasons why Google actually scans through the content. It reads it, and if the searcher has that keyword they search for and you have it in your website, you're going to show up. So content is definitely king on a website. Another one is Krieger Plumbing and Heating. They're pretty big too. See all the content they have, lots of it. It's really good stuff. Yeah, they have lots of content, and it doesn't necessarily have to be like on the homepage necessarily. So Randazzo, they don't necessarily have it all on the homepage, but if you click like a location page, so let's say Detroit, look at all this content they have for Detroit. So just Detroit alone, they're dominating the area. I have this tool called HRS. It tells you what's going on in the background of a website. And Randazzo, they're currently bringing in over 5,000 people a month. Sorry, load. See, 5,000 people a month from searches like Detroit air conditioning, furnace repair Detroit, anything related to your industry. So they have 2,700 backlinks, which is the second one I was going to talk about. Backlinks is a mention of your website inside of another website. So I like to use Wikipedia as an example. All those blue highlighted words, those are backlinks pointing from Wikipedia to other websites, and other websites back to Wikipedia. It's telling Google, hey, this is a trusted website. And Google therefore puts it up on the top of Google. Also, it has a lot of content too. Wikipedia always has the most information provided for a person searching, so that's why Google always puts Wikipedia at the top. It's the same for an industry like yours. So if you can provide a searcher with what they're looking for, they're going to put it up there. So content and then backlinks. So the last one is citations. So citations is a mention of your name, address, and phone number listed throughout directories all throughout the web. So like Yelp and List, there's about 1,000 directories that you can put yourself in, and all you need to do is go in and find all the directories that your competitors are in and copy them, and then just do more. So they have 50, do 80. They have 1,000, do 15, do 1,200, whatever, like that. So name, address, phone number will get you here in this map pack, which is where most people click. So here's ads. Ads are good to be too. Map pack is here, and organic is all this. So the goal is to always be in the map pack in the organic. If you want to run ads, that's great too. It's a whole nother thing. Randazzo's up here, and they're also down here. So that's why they're kicking butt. So Detroit heating and cooling, that would be a keyword that someone would be searching for if they want a new furnace or something like that in their house. And if you're right here and right here, you have 80% more chance of getting that as a client than being down here. I mean, who the heck goes to the fourth page of Google? So Currently, you guys don't even have a website, so you're not showing up anywhere whatsoever unless someone searches your exact name, which people don't do unless you're absolutely huge. So you have 6 reviews, which is good. You always want to have no, you have 6 5-star reviews. That's good, but your competitors, they all have hundreds, so that's another thing you really want to push for. Your click-through rate. Someone comes here, obviously they're going to want to pick on the person who's been in business the longest and the one that has the most reviews, and it's this guy. 25 years in business, 60 reviews almost. They're definitely going with him. So it's kind of how it works. It's content, citations, and backlinks, and if you do that on a website, you will show up and you're going to bring in a lot more business. And the thing that's great about it is it's consistent business throughout the whole year. You can always kind of tell what's going to happen. There's no really downtime or anything. So you can take these tips and tricks and do them yourself if you like. I'll leave my contact information, and you can reach out to me and I can help you if you want. But as you can see, there's a lot of, this is Kreger. They're doing a lot here. They're bringing in a lot of traffic. Randazzo, there's a million HVAC companies here in Detroit, and there's a lot of opportunity out there to bring in a lot more business. So hope you like this. If you could leave me some feedback, I'd be really appreciate it. But have a great day. Bye bye.